Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be solving another cool problem where we need to be creative in order to be able to solve for x. So we are given that x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 2048, and we want to solve for x values. Great, so if you look at the left-hand side of the equation, we have x to the power of x, which means we have an exponent where the power and the base are equal. So this gives me the idea that maybe we need to turn the right-hand side into an exponent with the same form. So maybe we need to turn it into something like a to the power of a, because if we do that, we're going to be able to say that x to the power of x equals a to the power of a, and therefore x equals a. So this is the main idea behind the solution of this problem. And based on this main idea, we need to go ahead and work on the number on the right-hand side. So we need to work on 2 to the power of 2048. Great, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and replace 2048 with 2 times 1024. And now, notice that we all know that a to the power of m times n is just equal to a to the power of m raised to the power of n. So based on this property, I can go ahead and say that our number 2 to the power of 2048 is equal to 2 squared to the power of 1024. 2 squared is 4, so we have 4 to the power of 1024. Next, let's go ahead and replace 1024 with 2 times 512. And then by using the same property, this property, I can say that the right-hand side is equal to 4 squared to the power of 512. 4 squared is 16, so 2 to the power of 2048 is equal to 16 to the power of 512. Awesome. Now, if you look at the right-hand side, you can see that 16 and 512 are much closer than 2 and 2048. So that means that we are getting closer and closer to the solution. So let's go ahead and use the same process and let's break 512. So let's replace 512 with 2 times 256. And then let's go ahead and use the same property again. So we're going to have 16 squared to the power of 500, actually to the power of 256. And we know that 16 squared is 256. So we have 256 to the power of 256. And this is great because this is an exponent where the power is equal to the base. So let me rewrite the problem. The problem was x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 2048. And we showed that this number is equal to 256 to the power of 256. So based on the transitive property, this is equal to this. Therefore, I can go ahead and say that x is equal to 256. Great. And notice that x equals 256 is the only solution to this problem because the function y equals x to the power of x is a one-to-one function for any x value that is greater than or equal to 1. And whenever a function is one-to-one, that function is going to have only one intersection point for any horizontal line. Therefore, our equation has only one solution, and that solution is x equals 256. Great, so we are done with this video. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed watching this, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you later.